Hello guys, welcome to another interesting video on CAF's channel. Do click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it to be notified for future exciting content. Great, let's get into it. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to learn how to remove a submission from your portal and also how to edit a submission. This is to help students who mistakenly sent an assignment and would need to delete the assignment. Okay, so at this point, I want to assume that you have launched into your UPSA portal, okay, and actually logged in. Okay, so from your dashboard, you select the course for which you want to make the submission, or the course for which you want to delete the submission or remove the submission. Okay, so I submitted an assignment by mistake in one of my courses. Okay, so I move to the course and I locate the week for which I made the wrong submission. Okay, so that is week 10, assignment 10. Okay, beautiful. So this is the assignment I submitted, and I submitted it by mistake. Okay, it was not supposed to be this particular assignment is supposed to be in week 8. Okay, because I've already submitted the assignment, it's going to say submitted for grading. And take note, if you delete or remove your submission, it's still going to read submitted for grading. Don't bother about that, okay? All right, so let's move to remove submission. We want to remove this. Please take note of this online text. You'll notice that after removing your submission, you wouldn't have this online text over here. Okay, good. So let's go to remove submission. Now we'll ask you, are you sure you want to remove submission data, or are you sure you want to remove the submission data? Click on continue if you are very sure. Beautiful. So you notice that your assignment has actually been removed. You don't see the online text here that we used to see formerly. Okay. So then your assignment has been successfully deleted. As I said, this thing will still be here, submitted for grading will still be here, but do not worry, there is no assignment to be submitted for grading. Okay, there's no assignment, there's no file there for your lecturers to mark. Okay, so you have successfully removed that submission. All right, now this tab here is to enable all users on the portal to edit a particular submission. Okay, let's say you uploaded a file and then you realize that there were some typographical errors in the file. Okay, there were some mistakes in the file. You can actually edit the file. Okay, I've already deleted my file, so I can't actually open a particular file and edit. Okay, but in your case, if you want to edit, you can click on edit submission and it will be simple for you to edit. So guys, this is how you actually this is how you actually delete a submission from your portal if you do submit it by mistake, or if you did submit it by mistake. So thank you guys for watching once again. If you did enjoy today's video, don't forget to give it a like and also hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you are new to this channel. Do also click on any of the tabs you can see here to watch my previous videos I have uploaded. Stay safe and have a good day.